EOCA is proud to be part of the upcoming American Association of Orthodontists annual meeting in April in Chicago and will be presenting a range of exciting innovative dental products. The d.Mistify Pro Data Capture Kit features the air and light dispersal unit, which consists of a digital light array, in combination with a fan and series of intraoral mirrors. This sophisticated device ensures that the surface of the intraoral mirrors remains crystal clear and free of fog, delivering the ability for every member of the dental team to easily and rapidly capture incredibly high-resolution images for every realm of dental practice. Our best-selling Munchies range will also be featured. Munchies devices are used to optimize the seating of orthodontic clear aligners and retainers. They ensure that orthodontic forces are delivered accurately and that tooth movements occur as predictably and comfortably as possible. Munchies VIBE II will be launched, which delivers high-frequency vibratory forces in a symmetrical fashion and increases predictability and accelerated tooth movement. We are also launching the amazing EOCA IPR Diamond Burs. IPR Burs offer the orthodontist the opportunity to produce rapid, deadly accurate interproximal reduction, which is comfortable to the patient. These burrs are designed by experts in orthodontics and utilize specially engineered medical-grade stainless steel shanks with robust natural diamond grits. Reduction can be delivered from as minimal an amount as 0.25 mm, right up to 0.5 mm. The TMD range of devices have been developed to minimize the discomfort and symptoms associated with TMD. Specific muscles are targeted with these unique products, in tandem with thermotherapy, kneading and compressive trigger point massage. Come and visit us in Chicago at Say Hello or explore the EOCA website.